We're giving away hundreds of dollars of RevZilla gift cards. Stay to the end of the video to figure out how to enter and win. All right. Okay. Whoa, uncommon thing in a common situation. Adapted to that hazard. All right, so we're riding, we're doing what we need to do. 109, I'm assuming kilometers an hour. So we're going with the flow of traffic, just kind of going in and out of traffic, not a big deal. We're riding, and as soon as we see anything that's different than this, okay, we got cars on the road, everyone's going this way, there's nobody coming across from us. This is the common situation that we're doing when we're riding, right? What is this? It's a little hard to see, kind of blends in a little bit, but there should not be a human form on the interstate or on the highway. So as soon as you see that, boom, uncommon thing in a common situation, you want to maybe cover those brakes, go into orange stage, get kind of ready for some dum-dums. Like, what is this? You know what I mean? What are we doing here? What are we doing here, mister? What are you doing? So great job on this rider for adapting. Okay, saw the hazard, adapted to it, positioned for safety, found an escape path. You guys don't think about it, but here's the thing. He actually did what he needed to do. Okay, a lot of people are like, well, you just moved over, right? Well, I like to put names to things. He moved over. So when I put a name to it and he planned his route, located hazard, adapted to it, that right there allows me to practice it. I don't want to just tell myself, well, you instinctively would do this. Because here's the thing, a lot of people don't instinctively do things. So when I put a name to it, it allows me to practice it. So he planned his route, he adapted to this hazard. Pretty good. And then from there, keep looking forward. Look at your mirrors, but pay attention forward. If you can ride around without gear, well, you're not a very smart rider. You need to acquire and utilize personal protective equipment, and here's your way of doing that. Click the link in the description to enter to win hundreds of dollars in RevZilla gift cards. We're doing this every single month, so if you don't win right now, you can possibly win next month, but if you sign up as a Tier 1 to Tier 4, you get my ebook for free too. Check it out. Link is in the description. Link is in the description. Click, 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 link in description.